natural health for beginners.
Learn how to create a luxurious Cherry Cinnamon Body Lotion from scratch with simple, natural ingredients and exact measurements. This delightful blend offers moisturizing benefits with the sweet aroma of cherries and the warm, spicy touch of cinnamon. Ingredients: cherry extract, 2 tablespoons, for a fruity fragrance and antioxidant properties. Cinnamon essential oil, 10 drops, for a warming scent and added skin benefits. Shea butter, half a cup, provides deep hydration and softens skin. Coconut oil, a 1/4 cup, moisturizes and adds a silky texture. Sweet almond oil, a 1/4 cup, lightweight and nourishing for all skin types. Beeswax pellets, 2 tablespoons, helps thicken the lotion and creates a protective barrier on the skin. Distilled water, half a cup, to balance the oils and create a creamy consistency. Emulsifying wax, 2 tablespoons, to bind the water and oils together. Vitamin E oil, 1 teaspoon, extends shelf life and nourishes the skin. Preservative, optional. As per the manufacturer's guidelines, to increase product shelf life if storing for longer periods. Tools: double boiler or microwave-safe bowl. Hand or stand mixer. Heat-proof mixing bowl. Measuring cups and spoons. Sterilized lotion dispenser or jars. Instructions: melt the oils and waxes. In a double boiler, combine shea butter, coconut oil, almond oil, beeswax pellets, and emulsifying wax. Melt over low heat until fully liquefied. Heat the water. In a separate container, warm the distilled water slightly. This ensures the oils and water combine properly when mixed. Mix the phases. Slowly pour the warm water into the melted oil mixture while stirring continuously. Use a hand mixer on low speed to ensure thorough blending. Add fragrance and preservatives. Once the mixture begins to thicken, add the cherry extract, cinnamon essential oil, vitamin E oil, and preservative, if using. Mix well. Cool and transfer. Allow the lotion to cool completely, stirring occasionally to maintain consistency. Once cool, transfer it into sterilized lotion bottles or jars. Label and store. Label your containers with the product name and date of creation. Store in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Use within 3 to 6 months, if no preservative is added. Benefits of Cherry Cinnamon Body Lotion: moisturizing. Hydrates and soothes dry skin. Antioxidant-rich, cherry extract helps fight free radicals. Improves circulation. Cinnamon essential oil stimulates blood flow, promoting healthier-looking skin. Luxurious aroma. The combination of cherries and cinnamon creates a delightful scent perfect for all seasons. Create your own Cherry Cinnamon Body Lotion to indulge your skin with this nourishing and aromatic treat. Share your results and thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.